What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And as I've been saying, and again, we were ahead of the curve by over a week, that these policies were going to be implemented and we were going to see changes. And not only are we immediately seeing changes in terms of emissions and things of that nature, the Department of Transportation is doing it as well. Roll the intro. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And in today's video, and I apologize in advance if you're hearing all of the freedom here, I just got out of the office from dealing with work, and we are doing an event here called Red Flag right now. So Nellis is a little busy. We got a French Air Force with those Dassaults flying around. We got Australian F-18s. It's been nuts all day today. But let's talk a little bit about what's going on with the Department of Transportation and how they are also making it, and how Congress, people from Michigan and everybody else are excited about these changes, because it makes it where there are no excuses anymore. None. Zero. Stellantis can't make the excuse of, well, emissions, and we have to change. We can't do this. We can't build this. We can't sell this. No. Emissions are a non-issue now. Non-issue. So, emissions non-issue. Regulations are a non-issue. And let me just show you this. So, as you can see here, they getting into detail on what the Department of Transportation Secretary that's come in, that's restored common sense to the Department of Transportation, has done their part to roll everything back with the EPA to put us back towards standards of like the 1980s. What does that mean? It means auto manufacturers could, like General Motors, could stop using active fuel management. They could get rid of displacement on demand. Like my Ram truck, it is going into the shop and I am having the MDS removed. Now you're going to say, well, TK, why don't you just put a whole new engine at that point? I could. I thought about just buying a built 5.7 or 6.4 for this truck at that point. But I'm just going to go ahead and keep the 5.7 that's in it because it's running. They just basically redo the top end and they delete all of that MDS crap. So I don't have that choppy crap that you get out of the Hemi. Now, there are ways to turn it off electronically, but those parts that they put in there for MDS will still fail, as GM is seeing with over 800,000 trucks that have those engines with active fuel management. GM could literally save their bacon by having all of those vehicles come to service departments and remove the active fuel management. Outside of that, those 6.2 and 5.3 liter engines, basically LS engines, are bulletproof engines. They're not going to have any issues once you pull that active fuel management off, outside of normal stuff like water pumps and thermostats that happens with every engine, right? But I'm happy to see that the DOT has some common sense and is cooperating with the EPA and the stuff that Lee Zeldin is doing. Now it's going to be interesting. I want to see the U.S. government and the EPA go after California. That is the move. That is how, and we've already seen it. Senator Moreno that's come in and has already said it. The president came in and said California is going to stop dictating to the rest of the country on what's going to be built or what's going to be made and what fuel standards and all the rest of that crap is. So we'll see. But I'd love to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Sorry, I'm just out here looking at all this freedom. I don't know if you guys can see that freedom flying right there. Look at that. There's no emissions on that jet. You don't say. It's not every day you get to see the B-52 fly, man. So, anyways, Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm just taking in all the beauty that is the B-52. And are you happy that we're back to common sense and not this wackadoodle madness of emissions and environmental crap? Because I am. And I am so ready to get back to normal. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.